Indian Railways has decided to increase its passenger fares. I still mention it, it's a passenger fares only and not goods tariff. So basically suburban trains, what you see plying in Mumbai, there hasn't been any changes in the fares. But general like passenger trains, it's increased by 1 paise per kilometer. In Mailexpress train for second class, general class and sleeper, it's increased by 2 paise per kilometer. And for AC classes, it has been increased by 4 paise per kilometer. It includes AC class of all Mailexpress as well as superfast train. So if you consider it's for a distance of 500 kilometer and you are traveling in a sleeper class, you will be just paying 10 rupees more for the ticket what you are buying at present price. You will be paying 10 rupees more. Likewise in AC class you will be paying 20 rupees more. That's the only difference. So it has been marginally increased.